Yo, Bitcoin is back to $81,000, and as you may have it, many persons will want to send, receive transaction, start buying crypto all over again, even those who have not bought before. So now this is exactly how to copy an address from Trust Wallet. As simple as that may sound, many people make mistakes, and that's why we have lost cryptos everywhere, every now and then. So now here's how to go about it. So now we have exchanges and we have wallet. I believe by now you know that. And for instance, now this is Binance Exchange, this is Bybit Exchange, and this is Trust Wallet. And for you to copy an address, it means that you want to send crypto either from an exchange like Binance and Bybit to Trust Wallet, or someone wants to send you crypto. So now, for instance, let's start with Bitcoin. Now, what you need to do is you go into your Trust Wallet this way, check the necessary verification. You know, it always happens every time you want to log into Trust Wallet. Now, we want to copy Bitcoin address. Now, the first thing, especially for a fresh wallet, is you won't see most of the cryptos you're looking for on the screen right here. So what do you do in such cases? You click on Receive. Now, when you click on Receive, you will see a bunch of addresses right here. Bunch of addresses right here. So now the next thing we're going to do is we are looking for Bitcoin address, right? We'll tap on Bitcoin right here. So now when you tap on Bitcoin to copy the address, always tap twice. Now after tapping on Bitcoin address, now the next thing that I recommend you take note of is the first 4 digits and the last 4 digits of the address. So now we'll go into our Binance application right here. Let's say Binance right here. And now when you go into your Binance, you can paste the address. Binance, not Binance. Let's use Bybit for instance. Now you can go into Bybit this way. I don't have any coin right there, but it's fine. So you click on Asset. Now you click on Withdraw. When you click on Withdraw, by now it's assumed that your Bitcoin is ready to be withdrawn. So you click on BTC, click on Chain, and you paste your address that you copied. Now make sure you double check the last 4 digits. When you paste the address, click out, then make sure you double check that the address is correct. Double check, triple check, because most times your system, your device, especially if it's the device that you use to access other information online, could be affected with malware without you knowing about it. Now you click on the network, which is definitely BTC network, and then click on max or enter the quantity of Bitcoin you want to send, then send to the address, and it will automatically reflect on your Trust Wallet. Now that is copying an address of Bitcoin. Let's say you want to copy an address of, let's say, a coin that is not necessarily on Trust Wallet. So when it comes to other cryptocurrency like other EVM chains are cryptocurrencies that are created on Ethereum virtual chain. Now, for instance, now let's take a look at the Ethereum address right now. Click on this Ethereum address, click on Receive, and you're going to see that look at what it ends with, 3DD. Okay, let's look at the BNB address. BNB has its own chain too. It ends with 3DD. So the reason for that is because the BNB is created on they are both on Ethereum virtual machine. So created on Ethereum virtual machine. So now this simply means that if you're sending any crypto to like a Trust Wallet or like to like MetaMask wallet on EVM chain, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Phantom Wallet, and any other wallet that support any of those chain that support EVM chain, the crypto, even if you don't copy the crypto token address exactly, it will definitely reflect. Now, for instance, let's say I want to withdraw another crypto. Let's say I want to withdraw like this particular crypto that we are looking at right here, USDC. Let's say we want to withdraw USDC right here on chain, and we go to Trust Wallet. We go to Trust Wallet, and to copy the address, you click on receive as usual. Now, and you see USDC right here. Now USDC Ethereum address. Now there are USDC on several chains, so before you send crypto to a wallet, you need to be sure of the chain that you want to withdraw, you want to send the crypto on. So now this USDC, all I need to do is to tap this address. But whether I go and copy the USDC address directly or not, if I copy the Ethereum address here, if I tap the Ethereum address and I go over to my Bybit here and withdraw USDC to that address, paste, choose network. So if I choose Ethereum, it will reflect. If I choose BNB, SCB20, it will reflect. Arbitrum, Base, Polygon, Avalanche, that is AVAX, you are seeing there, Polygon Bridge, they are all EVM chains. So now if I tap on Ethereum and paste the maximum I want to withdraw or enter the amount and withdraw it, now I'm definitely going to see my USDC reflect automatically. The USDC will reflect automatically and I'll have my token here. Note, very importantly, this doesn't apply to exchanges, although most exchanges have made some changes and it's not things like this are beginning to apply to them, but don't take chances. So whenever you want to copy an address to a token on exchanges, you need to copy the direct address of that token. So let's say you send any token to EVM chain and they are not reflecting. The next video I'm going to show you how to actually manually import them so that they all reflect on your dashboard. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Like and subscribe, and see you in our next video.